We've done $5,000 this day, and that's why I really like this strategy based on support and resistance. Hi guys, I'm very happy to see you again on my channel, and you know what? Today we're going to trade on binary options again, and I will show you how to consistently earn money using very good strategy based on support and resistance lines. You know, I really hope that you would like this video, but I'm really waiting for your like right now. So put your like and subscribe to the channel, and if you remember, I'm sure you never forget about it. I have a private chat with trading signals. Most of them are profitable, and if you want to trade with me in one team, I'm sure you want it. I'm absolutely, confident about it. So come to my Telegram, write me the code word private, and we will be trading together. We will be the dream team. So guys, let's start our trading today. Hi guys, today we will be trading on pocket option platform, and my deposit today is $1, and I will try to overclock it up to $5,000. So guys, today I really ask you to watch this video to the end because it will be very interesting. So guys, the first station where we are going to open our trade, it's the support level, but it's not the main level. If you rewind the chart to the left, you can see another one level below, and at the moment the price is sticking to our first level. So I think that very soon the price will continue its downward movement, so I suggest opening a trade with down for 3 minutes, take into account another small pullback up, and then downward movement will continue, I suppose. So guys, let's wait for the results. It's awesome guys, the down movement continued and this level has been broken through. We're getting very good profit. So guys, 3 minutes was just enough here. So the next trade I would like to open right here. The price probably reached the next level and stopped at it. So let's rewind the chart to the left and see. So guys, yes, really, here we can notice that the price stopped at the next level, which is a little bit lower. Then, for better convenience, let's rearrange it below. We can also notice that all over there are some next levels. I think at least the price will continue to move even lower. Therefore, let's open a trade for 3 minutes. I think this time will be quite enough here. And for some time, the price will continue to move down. So guys, let's wait for the results. Very well guys, after a small pullback, the downward movement continued, and here we're getting very good and confident profit. 3 minutes was just enough here. I propose to continue the next situation, the market. Here we can see the level of support. Also we can see the price is quite impulsively and confidently approaching our level. I think that very soon the price will continue to move to this level, and perhaps this level will be broken through. So let's open a trade. We're down for literally 1 minute, expecting that now it will continue to move to the support level, and this time will be quite enough here. So guys, let's check our results. Well guys, it's very good. The down movement continued and the 1 minute was enough here. Our trade is profitable again. Everything is going well. Let's continue. Here we can see the support level. Also we can see that the moment the price has been sticking to this level, I think that very soon this level will be broken through. I think that we need to open a trade with down for 1 minute. I think this time will be quite enough here, and maybe we will get into very impulsive downward movement at the very breakout of this level. So guys, let's wait for the results. Well guys, it's amazing. The level has been broken through. The price went below. We are getting very good profit. Price is very, cool and confidently went lower, but we can also see the gap. Gap is the place where there is a gap between the candlesticks. At the moment we can see that the price is beginning to fade, and in most cases after impulsive movement down, a rollback occurs. So let's open a trade with up for 1 minute. I think this time will be quite enough here, so let's wait for the end of our trade and see the result. Well guys, it's very good. The price has confidently rolled back up, and we are getting very good and confident profit. Price has rolled back high enough to the support level, but since this level has been broken through, the price has now approached it from bottom up. Now this level becomes a resistance level, and when we can see the similar situations from this level, there will be probably a rollback down. Also we can see a reversal candlestick. This is a green candlestick with a long wick up, and after that there is a red candlestick appearing, and we need to do it with down. Let's do it for 1 minute. I think this time will be quite enough, and we will get, for example, small pullback down. Well guys, let's check it. Well, it's excellent. As I expected, there was a rollback down. Here we're getting very good profit. 1 minute was enough here. So now our deposit is $23 and we're doing it well. Let's continue and consider the next situation. Here we can see that there was a good and confident uptrend. Also, the price has reached the resistance level and next rolled back down. And now the price is again approaching this level. There is no sticking to the level. I think that very soon this level will be broken through. So let's open a trade with up for 3 minutes. Take into account a small flat maybe or a roll back down. After that, the upward movement will certainly continue. So guys, let's check and wait for the results. Well guys, it's not bad. As I assumed, after a small roll back down, but the upward movement continued and here we're getting very good profit. 3 minutes was just enough here. So let's continue and consider the next situation in the market. Here we can see a good confident downtrend. Also in one place of the chart we can see the gap between the candlesticks. So, empty gap, it's telling us about a very good impulsive movement down. Also at the moment we can see the support level and we can see that there is still a place before it. I think the downtrend will continue and at least it will continue to the support level. So let's open a trade where down. Let's do it for 3 minutes, take into account a small flat or maybe a small roll back up. So guys, let's wait for the results. Well, not bad. After a small roll back up, the downward movement continued and here we are getting, very good profit. But as we can see at the moment, the price hasn't reached our support level. So I suggest opening the next trade right here. Let's do it for 3 minutes. Of course, we're down because I think that price will continue its moving to the level. So guys, let's wait for the results. Well guys, amazing. We have got very good and strong downtrend that continued its movement down. This level has been broken through. 3 minutes was just enough here and we are getting our profit again. So as we can say, usually the trend is your friend. So let's continue and consider the next situation. So guys, here we can see the support level. Also we can see that there is still a level little bit below. So this level shouldn't be very strong, I also can see the price has already touched this level. After that there was a slight rollback upward and the price has been sticking to our level. I think that very soon there will be a breakout of the level. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes. We're down. Well guys, we need to check it out. Well, it's great guys, this level has been broken through and we are getting very good and confident profit. 2 minutes was enough here. So at the moment we can see a roll back up, it's a little, to our support level. Let's rewind the chart to the left and here we would see that there are at least 2 more levels. The first is a little bit lower and the second is the lowest one. This is our main support level. I think that in the near future the price will still continue to move towards this level. So let's open a trade for 3 minutes with the reserve wet down. So expecting a small flat maybe or a small roll back up. After that the downward movement will continue. So guys, let's wait for the results. Well guys, it's not bad. Here we have managed to close our trade in the profit. Small flat was a little bit longer, but this time was quite enough and now our deposit is $352. So let's consider the next situation in the market. Here we can see the level of support. Also, we have already met this similar situation today and at the moment we can see good, downward movement. The price, tends to this level. I think that very soon the downward movement will continue and let's open a trade for 2 minutes with down. So guys, let's see the result. Well guys, it's excellent. The price has continued its moving down and this level has been broken through and 1 minute would be quite enough here, but I opened it for 2 minutes expecting that upward rollback would happen. So let's consider the next situation. So here we can see a level of support. Also we can see the price has touched this level already and after that there was a good rollback upward and the price is again approaching this level. We also can see that there is still a place to our support to our level. So let's open a trade with down. For 2 minutes, I think that the price will continue to move down and perhaps this level will be broken through. So guys, let's wait for the results. Well, it's excellent. The price continued its downward movement and this level has been broken through. We are getting our profit. Now deposit is $1,176. So guys, we have just a few steps left to complete our today's tasks. Well, let's continue. So here we can see that there has been a good downtrend. Also we can see a support level. The price has touched this level and rolled back up, and now it's again approaching our level again. So at the moment there is a small rollback upward. It's a very good entry point. Let's open a trade for 2 minutes with down. I think that the price will continue to move to this level and perhaps this level will be broken through. So guys, we need to check it. Let's wait for the results. Well, it's great guys, the down movement continued and this level has been broken through. We're getting our profit. It's very good. So guys, 2 minutes was enough. Here we can continue and move on to the next edition of the market. Well guys, here we can see good upward movement. The price approached our resistance level and it's starting to stick into it. We also can see the price is already starting to break it through. So let's open a trade with up for 1 minute. I think this time will be quite enough here. Perhaps we will get into the very impulse and the price will break through this level and go higher. Well guys, it's not bad, even though we haven't waited for an impulse, but the price really went higher and there was impulse a little bit later, but we're getting our profit. This level has been broken through. 1 minute was enough here. Let's continue. I really want to continue. So here we can see very good uptrend. Trend is our friend. Also we can see the resistance level. There is still a place to it. I offer to open a trade for 2 minutes with the up. I think that the price will continue to move to the resistance level. So guys, let's wait for the results. Well guys, it's not bad. The price really continued its upward movement. Here getting very good profit. Now our deposit is $3,636. So, and there is only one step left to complete our today's task. Let's look for some good situation on the market and open the last trade for today. Here we can see the resistance level. Also we can see that the price is been sticking to the level at the moment. The price minimum is getting higher and higher. I think that in the near future the price will continue its movement to the resistance level and perhaps this level will be broken through. So guys, let's open a trade with up for 3 minutes, expecting a small rollback or maybe a small flat, and only then the upward movement will continue. So guys, let's wait for the results. Well guys, it's amazing. After the rollback downward, the upward movement continued and this level has been broken through. Here we're getting amazing, brilliant profit. 3 minutes was enough here and now our deposit is $5,336, and it means that we have completed our today's task and we can finish our trading and leave the market. I hope that you really like this video. You have learned a lot of interesting and new for yourself. It's very important, so try to do it yourself. Find similar situations in the market, work them out, and you will definitely succeed in this. So guys, we have done it. We've done $5,000 this day, and that's why I really like this strategy based on support and resistance line. It's very, very useful. It's very, very profitable, and I'm telling more about this in my private chat. So if you want to know more, if you want to learn some interesting information that you haven't learned before, so just come to me and I will tell you, I will show you everything. So guys, subscribe to the channel. I see that you're subscribing to my channel right now. Yes, you're putting a like. Very good. Yes guys. So, and come to my Telegram. Write me the code private. I'm waiting for you because my dream is becoming bigger and bigger every day, and only you, if you are not in my private chat now, you are the best. You are the best and you will be the best. So come right now. Do not hesitate. Do not hesitate. So guys, see you next time.